Okay, hello students. This is Miss Poso. I'm actually gonna go over today the asynchronous assignments I will be giving you guys tomorrow. Make sure that you check on Google Classroom at 8 a.m. and you should be able to find it. I'm just gonna walk you through what I need you to do. Once you open up our Google Classroom, which is here, you're gonna see the assignment posted for you. Now, this is what the document will look like. I'm gonna need you to fill it out completely and make sure that you do all parts of it. It's very, very easy and simple, but it's gonna require some time from you. So basically what I want you to do is on the warm-up, I'm gonna ask you to just write down 2 things that you plan to accomplish throughout the day during this asynchronous work time. I'm also going to need you to look at this tracker that I created for you. I'm going to ask you to go to Google Classroom and check all of your assignments, and especially the ones you had while I was out, while the substitute was covering for me. So what I need you to do is you will look at all the assignments. So I've created a little tracker that can help you check which assignments you need to complete. So the assignments that really will help you determine whether you get a passing grade are the following. Week 2 classroom assignment, that's the link. You gotta make sure you let me know whether or not you completed. If you did not complete it, what you need to do is you need to click on it and you need to make sure you get it done. Once you're done with that, you just put in here on this part of the table with a different color. You're gonna just tell me whether or not you completed. You're gonna do the same thing for week 3 assignment. Check on Google Classroom whether or not you completed. So just to give you an example, right? Week 2, week 3, week 4, weeks 4, 128, and week 4, 126. Those are the 4 assignments you actually need. You need to make sure that they're completed because they will be input into the grade book on Friday. So again, once you're done, you need to just let me know whether or not you completed. Okay. Each one of them, these are the 4 assignments I want you to look over and make sure that you're done. If you're done, right? If you completed them when you had the opportunity, then that means you're good. You just gotta make sure that you let me know that everything is turned in, and then you just go ahead and complete the reflection part. Did I complete all the assignments? You need to make sure that you let me know this by using complete full sentences. Yes, I completed all the assignments. No, I did not complete all the assignments. If that's the case, and you need to let me know whether or not you need additional time. So if you require additional time, you need to put that in here. I need additional time to complete them, and I need you to tell me a date. No more than 1 week. Okay, so I need 3 additional days to complete the assignments. That's what you need to put in here. Okay. The point of this assignment is to actually help you get all the points in order to pass this class. I want you to know that week 5 it's halfway through the semester, through the first grading period. So around week 10 of the semester, that's when we get progress reports. So think about week 5 as the midway through progress reports. So you want to make sure that you are caught up with all the work you need to complete. If you have any questions, I've also included on the side on here that if you need help completing any of these assignments, if you're not sure of what you need to do and you need additional help, you need to make sure that you show up for my office hours today from 1 p.m. to 2:30. The link, you just literally just have to click on where it says office hours and it'll take you straight there. just make sure that you show up around this time, 1 p.m. to 2:30. I will be available to answer your questions. That's it. I hope you guys have a good day, a good and productive day, and that you complete all the assignments you need.